Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add funds to your Venmo account. First, open the Venmo app and once you're on the home screen, make sure you have a bank account or debit card linked to your Venmo account. If not, you'll need to connect one before adding money. After that, tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner to open your transaction history. Then, tap the blue Manage button at the bottom right of the screen. A pop-up will appear. Select the plus icon labeled Add Money. Next, choose how you want to add funds. You can use your bank, debit card, direct deposit, or even cash a paper check. Enter the amount you'd like to add and confirm your payment method. For example, your Visa debit card. Tap Next. Review the confirmation screen and check that all details are correct. If everything looks good, tap the green Add button to complete the transaction. Once it's processed, your Venmo balance will update immediately with the new amount. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and share it with friends for more useful mobile and tech tips.